Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whether you have the free version or paid upgrade, because that determines built-in removal options. Once done, back up the original video to your gallery or cloud so you can undo changes. Then open the recording inside Xrecorder's editor. If the app lacks an editor option, open the file in your phone's file manager. This gets you ready to either remove the watermark by settings or export a clean copy using an external editor, without wasting time on unnecessary previews. Now you focus on the actual removal. First, check Xrecorder settings for a remove watermark toggle or an upgrade prompt. Paying once is the simplest legal option. If that's not available, open a video editor. Crop the frame to cut out the watermark or place an overlay object to cover it, then export at original resolution. Alternatively, use a third-party editor to blur or clone stamp the watermark area. Make sure you maintain aspect ratio so the video still looks natural. Finish by exporting the edited video at the original resolution and frame rate to preserve quality. Verify the saved file size matches expectations. If the watermark still appears, try a tighter crop or a different editor that supports advanced masking and re-export. Make sure you kept the backup copy so you can revert if needed. As a final tip, consider purchasing Xrecorder's Pro option to legally remove future watermarks and simplify the process instead of repeatedly editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.